how to search the data in a linear linked list. Here in the singly linear linked list, uh, we can find the value in the given set of nodes in the list. Various techniques can be used for searching, like linear search or binary search, where binary search is more efficient in case of arrays. But in case of a singly linked list, the linear search is the uh, suitable approach, right? So here we cannot access the data randomly. You look at that, we are having the linked list like this. In this linked list, the head will be available. Here the 101 is the memory location of node 1, 102 is the memory location of node 2. So here a head pointer will be available with address of 101. So the head pointer denotes the 101. Then first node will have the address of second node. Once 102 is written in the address field, then the link will be created with the second node, the 102. The next field of the 102 is last node, so it is the null value. The tail pointer will have the last node address. This is denoting this last node, right? So here always we have to access the first node of the linked list. Then only we can move step by step to the next node. We cannot directly access the uh, other nodes except the first node. Okay, so that is the thing, randomly we cannot access the nodes in the given list. We have to move from the first node of the linked list to another nodes in the linked list. So that is called linear search traversal. Linearly we are moving from first node to remaining nodes in the given linked list. Here if we are having the nodes, right, like this, for example, in the linear search node, which we are traversing till the data in the node matches with the required value, right? That means I am searching the value in the list 5 available or not. For example, I am having the list like this. So here 7, then another node is having 2, then third node is having 5. Here the memory locations of each one: 101, 102, this is 103. Here the head pointer is having the address of first node, so this is head. Then address of second node will be written in the first node, so which is like this. Then 103 is address of third node written in the second node, link will be created. Then last node is null pointer. Here tail is having the address of end node, so this is pointing the end node tail. Okay, so now um, we want to search the 5 is existing in the list or not. So initially we are making head is assigned to some temporary variable current, some temporary variable current. So now the 101 is assigned to the current, so current is assigned, right? Current is the variable having the 101. Then I am taking some integer variable 1, right? So here I am checking head is null or not. Okay, head is, you look at that, head is not null. Okay, head is not null, so this block will not execute. If head is null means there is no node. Head is null means, okay, which is pointing null. So tail also null, tail also null, so that means the list is empty, list is empty. But here head is having the value 101, 101, so this block will not execute. Else while current not equal to null. What is the current value? 101. So 101 not equal to null. Yes, it is, condition is true. While condition is true, then we are checking current dot data. What is the current dot data now? Current dot data is 7. Current dot data is 7. So this 7 equal to my data is 5. Okay, my data is 5. If it is both are equal, then it is true. Then flag is true, then we are breaking the block. We are breaking the block. Okay, then it will stop. But here this block will not execute, because which is the false, which is false. So if it is false, it will come out of the loop. The I is incrementing now. I is incrementing now. So I is 2. Okay, then current dot next. What is the current dot next? Current is 101, right? So here current dot next is 102. Current dot next is 102. So 102 will become the current node. So which is the 102? 102 is the second node. Look at here, the 102 is the second node. So now the current is updated with value 102. 102. So again we are going to the while loop. Again we are going to the while loop. So now the second iteration. Okay, the second iteration, the current value is 102. So 102 is not equal to null. Yes, it is true. Okay, it is true. Now again we are checking current dot data. What is the current dot data? Current dot data is 2. So 2 equal to 5, which is false. Which is false. So if it is false, it is come out of the loop. Now I is incrementing 3. Then now current is 102. Current dot next is 103. Now we are updating the current parameter value, right, with 103. So now current is 103. Okay, so now in the iteration number 2, the current value is 103. So in the one, then again we are going back to the while loop. So in the third attempt, 103 not equal to null. Yes, 103 is not equal to null, which is true. Okay, which is true. When it is true, we are checking current dot data. What is the current dot data now? Current dot data is in the iteration number 3. Current dot data is, right, 5. Current dot data is 5. So 5 equal to 5, which is true. Which is true. Then flag set to true. Then we are breaking. We are breaking, right? So now it is come out of the if loop, right? So now current is not checking. Okay, we look at that. Current equal to current dot next. Okay, current equal to now 103. 103. Then now it is updating null. Okay, current dot next is null. Current dot next is null. You look at here, current dot next is null. So null value is updated to the current. Now again we are checking current is null now. Okay, here now null. Null not equal to null. Okay, null not equal to null, which is false. Which is false. So it will come out of the loop. So it will come out of the loop. Now flag is set as true. If it is true, okay, then element is present at position I. What is the I value? 3. Okay, what is the I value here? 3. So 3 is our I value. So here I value is 3. So our element 5. Okay, our element 5 is available at position number 3. So this is the way to search the element in singly linked list. Thank you.